Welcome to Tip Line. My name is Vincent Nguyen. Let's take a look at FNGR. What happened in September? What am I expecting in October? So let's jump straight into the chart. All right, so we will switch over to the month view. Okay, all right. My thinking was price would have retraced back down to about $6.02 at the close of Friday for FNGR, and it closed at right around 621. Asking was 632, which is really good. From a month perspective, let's see, where are you at here? From a monthly perspective, it's trending within this price range right here. I mean, it's not bad. So it's still bullish in my point of view, since it is price action is above the 50, it's above the 20, it's above the 3, above the 8. My only reservation is volume has decreased quite a bit. If you look at on July, or the month of July, it was trading at 24 million volume in July. And then August, I'm sorry, July, August, there was about 11.65 million shares traded, but drove the price down quite a bit. And then September, 22 million shares, prices bounce back up, right? So what's my thinking here is at some point, probably this month, price is going to need to come down and touch the 8 EMA, or it could just reverse down, similar to what we see here in, let's see, November of 22nd, because it's got a lot of traffic right up here. The high is like 739. It tried to break it this month and it hit a high of 797 and got rejected and it just sold off. Okay. What is happening with the weekly chart? Weekly chart price is still, last week, price still closed above the 8 and the 3, which is extremely positive. On the weekly chart, you still have a very bullish price action sitting right above the 200 moving average, and that's really good. However, however, my thinking is, since it's trending along this price range, it could possibly retrace this week. 517, yeah. As the 20 is moving up, price could come down, touch the 20 before making higher highs. Now, what does the day chart show? I know this is a little messy, but my projection was price would have reversed at around $6, but it looks like, let's see, leg. All right, so we've got this bearish pattern formation here. This is the deep crab. Count with me here. Leg 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, which is a massive, massive leg upwards. 3 to 4 retracement, 4 to 5. So this is the conclusion of this bull wave from here to here, which is on the 13th of September. Okay, then you have this massive automatic reaction retracement down to leg A, 5 to A to B, nailed the XA at almost 692. And then from there, as you can see here, 5 to A nailed the price target 1, which is at 531, it came down to about 483. This is a this to me is possibly a dead cat bounce, an attempt to come back up. So it's about 50%. My only thinking is because there's just so much sell off on Friday for many reasons. I mean, it's Friday. Traders don't like to hold on to stocks over the weekend because anything can happen. My only thinking is leg A to B is a retracement leg, and B to C is basically going to be 367 next week. Okay. That's where my thinking is for next week. And I've had this level for about 4 weeks now because this pattern formed on 9/13, which is about 2 weeks ago. So this deep crab, bearish deep crab pattern formed on 9/13. These levels have been there for a while, and it nailed the level, the price target one on the 21st, which is almost a week later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So about a week later, leg A to B, I think is completing. So come Monday, come Monday, I want to say we'll see some sort of a retracement come down, touch the 8, which is 562, and then basically a 3-bar breakdown, come back down, test price target one at 531, and then a 3-bar breakdown start to happen here. Once the 3-bar breakdown occurs, we're looking at a continued breakdown to price target 2 for the bears, and that's going to be at 367. That's the outlook, at least in my opinion. That's what the chart's saying. And on the day chart, again, it could take next week. Usually, it seems like it happened pretty quickly. This reaction: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days to come down to point A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days to get to point B, and then C will start to take place next Monday. And I would expect price target 2 to hit, I want to say next Friday. I'm going to say next Friday is when, let's see, what is next Friday? I want to say next Friday is when FNGR is going to hit 367 for this full complete retracement, this pattern right here. That's my assessment of what I believe is going to happen by next Friday. T2 is going to hit price target 2. Now, if something happens, news comes out, or people start selling, I would expect the retracement to go even deeper. Now, keep in mind, this is a pretty deep retracement of a 1.0, okay, to complete this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, 5A, B, C down. I know this doesn't look good. I mean, I can be wrong, but this is what the chart's pointing at. And I think that they're going to be able to push this down to the 200 SMA, to 200-day SMA, which is right at 322 before the 200 act as a support, and then the trend starts over again. I mean, just keep in mind, this started back here. Let's see, where did it start? Yeah, this pattern started back here December 5th of 22, and it completed in September 23. And now we've got October to go. So October is going to be a nice pivotal moment for FNGR to either continue to go up or break the 200 and go lower. All right, guys. So my name is Vincent Nguyen. This is not this. I repeat, this is not financial advice. This is just my assessment, my TA of where the chart is telling me that price movement can move towards. All right. Thanks a lot for watching. If you find this information useful, feel free to subscribe and hit like, and then I'll see you on the next chart. Thanks for watching.